So the growth at Voyager Digital has slowed down significantly, and they released a pre-earning of 100 million to 105 million for the quarter ending March 31st, 2022. And I guarantee you, because last earnings report, they were barely profitable. They flipped in like $5 or $10 million of profit, and earnings, if they move forward and the earnings are or the revenue is not greater than 161 million or 164 million, I don't think they're going to be flipping a profit. I think they're going to show a loss on the balance sheet. That's my opinion. I could totally be wrong. Maybe they fired some people or consolidated some assets or something and managed to flip a profit. I don't think they will. I think they're going to show a loss in this quarter. And I think I don't know what the stock price is going to do, because I always preach that stock price is dictated by short sellers and rich people, and retail have very little. Well, I mean, sure, retail can move the stock, but I really don't think retail moves stocks. That's my opinion. I mean, billionaires and billionaires, like a few hundred of them, if you consider them retail, then sure, they can move the stock. But those guys are more of day traders, I think. But I could be wrong. I mean, there could be some long-term multi-millionaire stockholder. I mean, Jeremy's a millionaire, right? So if there's like 100 of him, sure, they could move Voyager stock. But unless they gather together and start buying the stock, it's not really going to move up. And then there's also the counteract of short sellers too. So there's short sellers, and there's people like Jeremy. I don't know how many people are like Jeremy out there, but there are people like Jeremy, and there are people who are short selling. And since Voyager's not going to show off profit and growth or massive growth this quarter, there could be some pressure on the stock. And if Bitcoin goes down more, there could be even more pressure on the stock, and we could see Voyager trade $3 or $4 US and $5 Canadian. So we'll see. Only time will tell if I'm right or wrong, but that's where I think the stock price is heading. Could be wrong. It could skyrocket. Bitcoin could skyrocket and help push Voyager stock up. Only time will tell if that will happen. And Nasdaq listing, not happening. Not happening. Not, like I told you guys that Voyager will not go onto the Nasdaq, and look who's right. I am right. So, and I honestly don't think the Nasdaq even matters. Nasdaq would just give short sellers a better opportunity to short the stock down even further. So, but hey, option trading is a viability if Voyager ever gets onto the Nasdaq. So yeah, Voyager right now trading at 1.03 billion Canadian. I think there's still further downside. I think we could see this thing go to like $5 Canadian or $4 Canadian, and that's my opinion. I could totally be wrong. Not financial advice. If you think that is the buying opportunity, your choice. You can buy. I don't care. I sold my position. I'm waiting a month to see what happens. Bitcoin. I also hear that people are talking about a Bitcoin bear market. So who knows? Some people are bullish, some people are bearish. It's still a mixed thing. Bitcoin is on that edge right now. If it goes down to 35K, we are in a bear market. But also, I think 35K or lower is a buying opportunity. We'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.